my head off then.
Big moves, I'm that dude. Bet I see you from the top, yeah, real soon. Looking down on the haters that I've been through. Told them I'll see you.
What's going on? What's going on, guys? Excuse me. Yeah, man, I ain't really got much to talk about today. But I heard a lot of people talking about quitting bass with car audio or whatever they're doing. But I used to wonder why they really said that. But I can kind of understand where they're coming from. Well, some people got their own reasons. But as far as when they do that, they do it, and then they'll try to get out of it and sell everything, which, you know, I used to think that was kind of crazy at first, but from my point of view, I look at it like, you know, it get kind of boring to me sometimes. You know, I like going to the shows. I'm gonna continue to always do that, but as much as I can. But I kind of see where they're coming from. You know, you kind of get tired of doing it, kind of get old. You know, man, I guess maybe I get burnt out a little quicker than others, but as far as having your own system, because it's not like I really get to play it, you know. I actually thought about getting rid of, taking my system out, maybe selling it or just putting it in storage or just something, you know, but I rarely even get to play it, you know, or whatnot. You know, I'll probably spend more time going to shows outside of the car than I will actually in the car. The longest I'm listening to it is on the ride there, and I don't listen to it the whole time. So of course y'all know how that is. But like I say, man, it's one of the things, you know how it is, man. You know, you kind of do it a while and you kind of get tired of doing it. But let me know down in the comments if y'all know what I mean. But yeah, man, I actually thought about it, taking it out of here or whatnot, and just going to put my third row back in there and just keep everything in here, put all my camera gear in, and actually just ride with it and go to as many shows as I can. But y'all let me know if y'all know what I mean. But of course, some people will leave car audio based off of they're having issues with other people in the car audio community, which I think is crazy. But you know, everybody got their own reasons of doing it. But let me know, have y'all ever thought about it? Let me know down in the comments. I actually wanted to do a big build. I thought about giving me another South 12 and just do 2 of those and like a whole lot of subs. I ain't really trying to turn my truck up. We got another one over there, but we was talking about doing it, then we go back and forth, and then we really never do it. But have you contemplated leaving car audio along with removing your build? Let's say removing the build. Let's not say quitting car audio, because that wouldn't be the proper thing that's going on. With some people, just leave it all together and just do something else. But have you contemplated taking it all out and just enjoying the shows? But leave a comment down below. Just a quick video. I had a quick question, so I decided to come on here and record it and see what all my supporters think, and what have y'all ever thought about it, or somebody you know. Let me know down in the comments. We're gonna get a little discussion going, just a little discussion video. We're gonna start doing these here and there, just throw them in there, just random subjects. If it come to mind, we're gonna do a video about it. We're gonna talk about it in the comments. But let me know. I'll see y'all back on the next one.
Right, equipment ain't gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.